How to fix you can't access this setting for a few days on Instagram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how to fix you can't access certain thing for a few days on your Instagram. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and you have to make sure that your app was updated and you have to search for your Instagram. Then you have to click on your Instagram app. So on the open option, if there is any update written, then you have to go for the update. So after that, you have to go back. You can also fix your Instagram access problem by updating your app if there was any update available. If that thing won't fix your problem, then you have to go for your setting. You have to go for your mobile setting. Then you have to go for your app management on your device. Then go for manage app and here you have to search for Instagram. After that, here you can set the clear data. You have to clear the all data and also you have the clear cache. After that, you can be able to access to your Instagram setting. Also, you are facing the trouble, then you have to open up your browser. Then you have to search for IG support center. On this, click on contact us. So here you have to access and downloading your Instagram information. So you have to describe your issue. Go for data access. They will provide you lot of options. How can we help you with your data access request? So you have to go for I don't have an Instagram account and I want to access to my data. So here you have to write your full name and you have to select your country and you have to provide your email address here. You have to provide your email address here. So by submitting all these requirement, you have to go for agree and send this to the IG help support center. So that's the 3 steps that you can fix your can't access certain setting problem on your Instagram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.